Hey there, cyber explorers. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential building blocks of digital defense, firewalls. If you've ever wondered how your computer or network stays safe from hackers, malware, or just random internet noise, a big part of the answer is firewalls. Think of them as security guards standing at the gates of your digital home, checking who's allowed in and who gets kicked to the curb. At its core, a firewall is a system designed to block unauthorized access while allowing authorized communication. It monitors incoming and outgoing traffic based on a set of security rules. Imagine you're throwing a party. You have a guest list. Anyone not on the list doesn't get in. That's exactly what a firewall does, only with data packets instead of party-goers. Now, let's break down the types of firewalls, starting with stateless firewalls. These are like basic security guards who only check the ID at the door without remembering who came in earlier. They inspect each packet individually without context. Fast, but easy to fool if someone sneaks in looking legit. Next are stateful firewalls. These are more sophisticated guards who remember your guests and keep an eye on ongoing interactions. They track the state of connections and can spot if something unusual pops up mid-conversation. Much smarter and more secure than stateless ones. Packet filtering firewalls, which can be either stateless or stateful, focus on inspecting packet headers. They look at source and destination IP addresses, ports, and protocols. It's like checking the envelope of a letter without reading what's inside. Basic but effective for simple rules. Then we have proxy firewalls. These act as middlemen between you and the internet. When you make a request, the proxy evaluates it, forwards it if it's safe, and then returns the response. Think of them as gatekeepers who open letters, check the content, and only pass on the good stuff. And finally, next-generation firewalls, or NGFWs. These are the elite defenders. They combine features from all the previous types and add deep packet inspection, intrusion prevention, and even the ability to understand applications. Imagine a bodyguard with X-ray vision and a lie detector. That's your NGFW. So where do we use these firewalls? Pretty much everywhere. Home users rely on basic firewalls built into their routers. Businesses deploy more advanced ones to protect sensitive data and manage complex traffic. And cloud platforms use virtual firewalls to guard online resources. The key takeaway: firewalls are your first line of defense in the cyber world. Whether you're checking emails, browsing the web, or running an online store, having the right firewall can make all the difference between staying safe and getting hacked. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.